Hello guys, it's BJ, the publisher of HowExpert, where we publish quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. And today's book of the day is How to Run a Marathon for Beginners. Okay? Your step-by-step guide to running a marathon for beginners. It is by Helen Nazarenko, who is the expert behind this book. Because at HowExpert, we hire everyday experts. Everyday people who have a passion, a talent, almost even an obsession about their number one topic, and we hire them to work with them to write a how-to guide to help people just like them ultimately be positive to their spiritual. For all topics from A to Z. Okay, so today's book of the day is How to Run a Marathon for Beginners. I just want to read the book description. It's a step-by-step guide that has some photos and step-by-step training how to run a marathon if you're a beginner. From someone who has real-life experience running a marathon. Okay, so let's read what this book is about. Okay, if you want to learn, if you want to know how to run a marathon, you can get this step-by-step how to run a marathon guide, which depicts all sorts of different aspects and details of marathon running. Okay, How to Run a Marathon for Beginners is a beautifully illustrated instructional guide. The guide provides useful tips and strategies for someone who wishes to run a marathon, as well as various ideas and proven solutions to problems a runner may be forced to face. The introduction of the book focuses on the many benefits and parts to running a marathon and takes a look at what running a marathon can provide the average person with. It also gives suggestions for causes to run for and other meaningful advice regarding self-motivation and personal fitness goals in general. The major sections that follow this brief but thorough introduction provides both diet and training plans that were tested personally by the author and are proven to work. These sections also depict the various nutrients that must be present in anyone's healthy diet every day, as well as giving general guidelines regarding daily calorie consumption and composition for runners. Other content including this book would be helpful insight on the day of the marathon, as well as suggestions about what to do once a runner has completed his or her first marathon and achieved his or her much desired goals. So let's also read the About the Expert section, because at the end of the book we always talk about who the expert, who the author is. Helen Nazarenko has moved about a lot and has lived in a variety of different places. However, it's only after settling down in New York that she actually began fitness and running more seriously. She is married and has one special daughter, Rose, who stars in many of the photos of this very book. Helen Nazarenko is a very motivational character and focuses on making people's lives better through personal experiences. As an article writer as well, she has had a lot of experience writing on various topics, from fashion to automobiles, and has a large collection of written pieces that are just waiting to be published. Let me talk about the table of contents. For those of you who want to kind of learn what the table of contents will include, it has different sections. First is introduction, why run a marathon, running a marathon with a purpose, and so forth. Training section, what you will need, know your situation, pre-training, avoiding injuries, first week in detail, an overall training schedule, training techniques, diet and nutrition section, hydration, carbs, protein and fat ratio, other nutrients, foods to avoid, extra suggestions, and running the marathon section, which includes the night before, the big day, what to remember, your accomplishments, my personal story, and so forth. So if you're interested in getting a quick how-to guide that you can read in one sitting, because HowExpert focuses on quick how-to guides. It's not 1,000-page, 500-page book how-to guide, like some other reference books out there. It's a quick guide that gives you all the golden nuggets in a short, compact size to allow you to get the best advice in one sitting. So you save time, you get all the golden nuggets as much as possible, you save time, and you go on about your business and go out there and run your marathon. Okay, so if you want that book, if you want to learn how to run a marathon, then get this book, How to Run a Marathon for Beginners. Click that link below the video, we'll have course and more different variations coming through the future as well. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more. Also, if you want to write for HowExpert about your #1 passion and become a HowExpert author, click that link below the video and check out HowExpert.com/writers to learn about our opportunity to become a HowExpert author. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you. Click that link, take action, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care.